Well, I don't know if anybody got any Stihl 025C my neighbor gave me years back. Sitting around all gummed up. Took it apart and cleaned everything, put a new carburetor on it. New plugs, all new lines, fuel lines, oil lines, ignition. Could run the saw. Ain't much on Stihls, but ain't too bad. It's kind of chilly. I had to shut the door. I don't know. Stihl chainsaw ain't too bad. I take whatever saw runs good. But it's gonna video me doing all that to it, but I didn't. Figured it'd take too long. Nobody wants to watch that anyway, so that ain't a bad old saw. It's got a I had never seen it before. Maybe y'all have. Made in Germany. It's a Rollomatic E. It's supposed to be made in Germany. Got this. Ain't got no screws. Just take this thing. I don't know if it's good or bad, but chain gets loose. Got a little roller here. You just roll it out, loosen the chain, see the chain get loose. Just roll it back with your thumb. Tighten it up where it needs to be. Crank her down. Easy enough. But I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all Stihl men out there, I'm sure. Y'all see old 33 Chevrolet. Ooh, El Camino. 55 hardtop. Got a few toys. My dad and me gonna work on them one of these days. But share, subscribe, and hit the like button. Ain't got nobody out there liking and subscribing. I guess I ain't worth the crap making videos. But anywho, that's it. And if you live in North Carolina and South Carolina and you need any forestry mulching, you need to call our company, Ironside Forestry. IronsideForestry.com. And I got some videos on there, but on my page, if you scroll through and look, we got 3 skid steer mulchers, excavator mulcher, and we also do small grading. So give us a shout and a like. Go to our website and hit us up, and we'll come take care of all your forestry needs. We don't do a lot of big logging, but we do logging. We clean up after the loggers get done. So we do some tree removals and stuff. That's why I'm working on this saw. Maybe I can use it for backups. But alrighty, see you in the next one.